everyone, welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 5 of English, and the name of the chapter is Distributive Pronouns. Right? So हम लोग distributive pronouns के बारे में इस chapter में बात कर रहे हैं. So what are the distributive pronouns? ऐसे pronouns जिनको हम actually सिर्फ एक ही word में represent कर देते हैं, but that message is to be distributed among all the ones those who are present over there, right? जब हम एक ही word use करके उस message को सभी लोगों तक पहुंचा दें, तब वो distributive pronoun कहलाता है, right? So for knowing further more details about the distributive pronoun, let us begin with the chapter very quickly. The pronouns which are used to indicate all the members of the representative group are called distributive pronouns. कि ऐसे प्रोनाउंस जो यूज किए जाते हैं सभी मेंबर्स को इंडिकेट करने के लिए जो कि उस रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ग्रुप में प्रेजेंट है, उन्हें हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउंस के नाम से जानते हैं, राइट? अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउन इज ऑलवेज सिंगुलर and as such it should be followed by a singular noun and verb, right? एक distributive pronoun जो है वो हमेशा singular होता है. As such it should be followed by a singular noun and verb, और वो हमेशा एक singular noun या फिर एक verb से follow किया जाता है. Distributive pronouns are each, either, neither, right? So यहाँ पे हमें कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हुए हैं. लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन द एग्जाम्पल्स वेरी क्विकली. Each one of you will be given a chance. Each of them has been told. We each think the same. Either of you can take an action. Either road leads to our school. We may take either of these two books. Neither statement is correct. Neither of you is qualified to attend the final. Each refers to every one of a group of persons or things taken separately. कि each जो है वो उस ग्रुप के हर पर्सन या फिर चीज को रेफर करता है जो कि वहां पर प्रेजेंट है, राइट? And each can have different positions in a sentence. But each की अलग अलग positions भी हो सकती हैं sentence में, right? Now we have examples. So each of the players was given a medal. The players were each given a medal. The players were given a medal each. Before a noun be with a determiner, the, my, this, etc. we use each of. Note that each of is followed by a plural noun or a singular verb, right? कि noun से पहले हम एक determiner लगाते हैं, but the, my, this, etc. we use each of. हम यहाँ पे each of use करते हैं और हमें ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि each of जो है वो एक प्लूरल नाउन या फिर सिंगुलर वर्ब के साथ यूज किया जाता है. After that, we have some more examples. Let's have a look on them. So each of the boys was given a present. Either means one or the other of two. Neither means not one nor the other of two. Some pronouns act to refer things or persons at the time, and so those are always singular in number. Examples: each of the girls draws a picture. Either of these has that information. Neither of the newspapers is English. So here each denotes every one of things or persons. Either and neither are used to denote only two things or persons. each यहाँ पर हमें दर्शाता है कि हम उसे हर चीज या हर पर्सन को रेफर करने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. बट वहीं पर हमें पता चलता है कि ईदर और नीदर जो है वो ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो कि सब दो चीजों को या फिर दो ही पर्सन्स को नोटिफाई करने के लिए हम यूज कर सकते हैं, राइट? एनी, नन, No one are used to denote more than two things or persons. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope now you all are clear with the distributive pronouns very clearly. So I hope you all enjoyed the video and learned something from this. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.